Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the Tulip Pro. Today, talking about the marvelous poppy. They come in yellows, oranges, reds. They're so fabulous, but they're very short-lived. The pros know if you take boiling water, just about an inch, doesn't take a lot. Then give your stem a cut and place it in the boiling water, making sure the head goes off to the side so that it doesn't get steamed, but just giving them a cut, placing them in, and then letting it cool to room temperature, and they'll last and last. Even the buds will open out and be grand. An alternative, if you don't have boiling water, you can singe it with a candle, burning the end. That leaves the tip black, so sometimes not quite as attractive. My choice, like many pros, is to use the boiling water.